Hey folks, Troy Champion Plumbing out of Eagan, Minnesota. Today we're in Chanhassen. We got called out for a water heater, but the water heater is actually working. It was the water softener that needed to be replaced, so we gave them some estimates for it. We're here today to replace it. Water softeners, what we supply, you can link back to my video on our different line of water softeners that we carry. Brassmaster and a North Star water softener. This is called the 2-tank because you have the actual softener here, then you have the bin for the salt there. So again, Champion Plumbing replacing a water softener. I'll chime in here once we're all done. Jumping in real quick here, one thing I noticed, and it's very important especially if you're a homeowner doing your own water softener install, is follow the in and the out. Some of these old water softeners, like this one, don't follow the same pattern. So you'd follow your main line, which there's the meter. The water is coming up, so it's coming up through this line, jumps over, comes down. Most water softeners, the in is on if you're facing it this side, the right-hand side. If you're facing your fittings, it'd be the left-hand side. But on this one, they have it flip-flopped, so the in is actually jumping over to this side. So if we hooked up the new softener just like this one is, it would end up throwing all the median and all the beads throughout the entire system. So that's not good. So something to watch for. Make sure you're checking on the back of your water softeners. I'll show you on the new one where it has a little arrow in and out. Make sure the in is going in and the out is going out. We're putting this one together. We have the old softener cut out. We're going to move it over to the right, so when the water heater goes out, we don't have to move the softener to change out the water heater. And I wanted to show you guys on a water softener where the salt tank hooks up to the head of the water softener. This one just hooks up like this. There's a little, if you ever have it where it's not using salt, you can pull this little screen out and clean it off. So I'd say a good 80% of our issues when they're not using salt is that this screen is too dirty. Take it out, rinse it out, and you're back in business. All right, here we go. So again, Champion Plumbing got the water softener in, water softener replacement in Chanhassen. We moved it quite a bit out of the way. This is a Brassmaster BT32, so it's 32,000 grain. I like Brassmaster because they're a local company, water control companies out of Ramsey, Minnesota. And they're just good quality stuff. I actually have one in my house. So lots of good things to say about Brassmaster. All went well. We could see we moved the water pipes over a little bit. We've got our air gap, which is also important for your do-it-yourselfers. Get an air gap on there. Things go wrong. You don't want to suck up dirty drain water. Potentially your neighbor's water could back up in your floor drain. So let's not have that introduced into the city water system. So if you need a water softener, water conditioner, water heater, any plumbing, give us a call, 651-365-1340. Look us up on the web, www.championplumbing.net. Thank you.